Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Today's topic is what is tokenization in RAG system. This is one of the most important topic in RAG system pipeline because after tokenization only we'll do the vector embeddings. So what is tokenization here? Notice here I'm drawing one human on the whiteboard and the other side is a AI is there. Now this human open one of the LLMs. What are LLMs are? Here LLMs, ChatGPT, Gemini AI and Claude, some other there. For this example I am taking ChatGPT. For this example I am taking the ChatGPT. Now here a user enters once open the ChatGPT, a user opens the ChatGPT in a text box. They type I love cars. When a user enter I love cars, submit here. There is a submit button, OK button here, click. So what will happen? This text, does AI reads this text? What is inside? What is about I love cars? AI never understand the human language. It doesn't understand the English or Hindi or Chinese, any other language. AI only understands numbers. So remember, AI only understand the numbers, not the raw text or any English language or any other human language. Now, how they communicate AI and human. So here comes, now to fix the problem, to understand between the communication between humans and AI, there is a tokenization, which is a mediator. For example, I am telling an example. Two people are there. One speaking Chinese language and the other one speaking English language. But the Chinese language doesn't know the English language, and the English person, he doesn't know the Chinese language. But they want to do business. Now they require one human communicator to translate the English to Chinese and Chinese to English. So that translator here in this scenario is a tokenization. So what is tokenization? Tokenization is nothing but in RAG system, converting the raw text, the user input text, into a numbers is called a tokenization. So let's check the real example how this converts, the raw text converts into a numbers in ChatGPT. So once user enter the raw text, click OK in ChatGPT. This ChatGPT contains Cloud APIs like Cloud APIs. And these Cloud APIs contains tokenizers. And Gemini contains a different tokenizer. And Claude also contains a different tokenizer. For ChatGPT tokenizer, use tick token. ChatGPT use. So here the Gemini use sentence piece. And Claude is use custom tokenizer. So every LLMs have a separate tokenizers. They have a separate built-in tokenizers. For this ChatGPT contains a tick token. This tick token handles the raw text, converting the text into numbers to understand the AI language. So how this tick token converts into a numbers from this raw text? Here, once you enter this text, click OK in ChatGPT. This tick token will handle this raw text. This raw text splits into words, different words. Cars. These are called tokens. So what are tokens here in this text? I love cars. So we have three tokens here, and each token contains the token ID. For example, I contains 5, love contains around 200, and cars contains around 16. Any number, I don't know that, but these numbers will generate by tick token. So here the question is how this token IDs, these are called token IDs, remember that. This is very important step. In interview they'll ask what are token IDs. Converting the text tokens into a numbers is called token IDs. These token IDs is very important in AI. Now we are converting this text into a token IDs in numbers. After converted all the text into a numbers, now we don't require this English sentence anymore because we are converted already into the text token IDs into numbers. Now here the question is how these token IDs are generated. They are generated randomly by tick token. The answer is no, they don't generate random words here. Actually this tick token contains a lookup table, and this table contains around 1 lakh words based on the models. For this example, we'll take 1 lakh words, and each word the predefined only. For example, here I am taking the example I is 5, love is 200, and second one is the cars 16. Now here for example, now like that they assign the numbers here and the words are there. Those numbers will match to these words. Now here is a big question. In interview also they will ask, you are telling this lookup table contains 1 lakh words only, but there are more than billions, trillions of words in this world, but how this tick token will manage? Now for example, I am taking unbelievable is the word is there. Unbelievable word is present in the lookup table or not. If it's not present in this table, in this lookup table, the unbelievable word is not there. Now it splits into unbelievable. Now un will check. If un is present, it will assign the number. Believe is there, it will assign the number. Now able will check. If able is not present, again this able converts into A, B, L, E. They will check the words or letters, whatever the tokens are there. The representative I2 token IDs will add here. The IDs token IDs will add here. Token IDs. So this process will generate until the human and the text converted totally into the numbers. So remember one thing, if unbelievable is not present in this lookup table, the AI never ignore this word, or it will generate an error. It will split into semi tokens and assign the token IDs based on this lookup table. I think you totally understand what I said. Tokenization is nothing but the raw text, user enter raw text, converting the text into a numbers is called a tokenization. Now we got here for this example, I love cars, and we got a token IDs also 5, 200, cars is 16. So we got token IDs here. Once we got the token IDs for all the letters or words, now we don't require this text anymore. Now we got these numbers. Now these numbers will pass to the AI models. That models are converting into embeddings, which I will explain into the next tutorial. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.